New Benylin for cough. For when it's starting or persisting. For I don't want it to get worse. For during the day or at night. For the kids or just for you. New Benylin for cough. Its 4-action formula reduces cough spasms and inflammation, loosens mucus and improves breathing. A brand recommended by doctors. Benylin. Relieve your...
Zu Risiken und Nebenwirkungen lesen Sie die Packungsbeilage und fragen Sie Ihren Arzt oder Apotheker.